Okay, let me explain now lesson 9.3, which is ellipse. Okay, now the general equation of ellipse is what? X square over a square plus y square over b square equal 1. Now a is always the major axis and b is the minor axis. Okay, now how I will know from the question? For example, if they give you the question x square over 36 plus y square over 81 equal 1. Now, and the question is graph this equation. Now how you will graph? You have to check your major and minor axis. So major axis mean A. So where are the major one? The bigger number. Which one is bigger? 81. So this is your a square now. I need a. So a will be equal to what? 9. How I got 9? Because square root of 81. So my vertices are on y axis because the major number is under y. So how will be my major vertices? Because this is under y. So this will be the y value and x will be 0. Okay. Always in the points 1 should be 0. It can be x, it can be y. Here x is 0. Why? Because our bigger number is under y. So x is 0. So my a is 9, which is y. Okay. Now the other point will be 0, negative 9. You should write the vertices as a right and left or up or down. Okay. So here this is up and down. So up is positive 9, down is negative 9. Okay. And this is called vertices. Okay, or major axis. Major axis is always a. Now if a is major, so automatically the second number will be minor axis, right? And minor axis we represent by b. So b will be equal to 6. Why 6? Square root of 36. Because this is b square, we need b. So b will be 6. And now how will be the points? This is under x. So this will be 6, 0 and negative 6, 0. So these are my 4 points. I will just plot these 4 points and I will get a ellipse. Now ellipse can be vertically, ellipse can be horizontally. Now in this question it is vertically. How I know? Without graphing. Because our major axis is under the y. Because a is under y. So it will be, the graph should be vertical. Now let's check. Just graph the points. My a is 0, 9. So 0, 9 mean here. Negative 0, 9 will be here. This is 0, 9. This is negative 0, 9. 0, negative 9, sorry. And my b is 6, 0. 6 should be here, right? 6, 0 and negative 6, 0. Just plot the points and then join the points, and you will see that your ellipse will be vertically. Okay, so what we did, whatever the equation they give you and they said graph this ellipse. So first you have to check where is a. A is always the big number. So whatever the number here, take the square root. If it's under y, so the points will be 0, 9. Yani the number will be for y and other will be for the negative 1. So if it's under y, so automatically the minor one will be on x. This is under x. So it will be 6, 0 and negative 6, 0. Just plot the points, you will get the graph. Okay, and same thing, if 81 is under x, so then the major axis will be on x axis and then your ellipse will be horizontal. Okay, so this is the point. Just find your a, write your b points, plot it, and you will get a ellipse. Now for example, if they give you the, if the question is write the equation of ellipse. Equation of ellipse with foci negative 3, 0 and 3, 0 and vertices 4, 0 and negative 4, 0. Okay, now what we have to do, if I need to write the equation, they did not say graph, we need to write the equation. Now what is the equation? In equation, we need our A and B. So A is always vertices, I told you. So here what is my A? A is 4. But in the equation I need A square. So what will be A square here? It will be 16. Right? But they give me foci. Foci means focus, and we represent focus by C. But we need what? We need B. We don't need C. Okay? For the equation we need B. We need A and B. A I find from the vertices. Now I need my B. But they give me focus. If they give me minor axis, that will be B. But they give me focus. So focus is C. So it means we need to find our B. How can you find? For the B you have an equation. B square equal always A square minus C square. The bigger the vertices, the A should be in the starting. It should be A square minus C square. Now B square equal, what is A? It should be A square is 16 minus C square. C is 3. So C square will be what? 9. So B square equal 7. Right? And now just replace in the equation, because this is write the equation. What is the equation of ellipse? X square plus y square. Now where is A? A is under X, because the vertex is on X. So it will be 16, because this is A. We need here A square. Plus B is what? B square is 7, not B. B square is 7, so 7 equal what? 1. And this is my answer.